Okay, I'm now starting to put the front end of the van back together, and but yeah, some of the parts are still a little bit rusty, but yeah, I'm gonna of course fix them before I start to use the van. Let's say it like that. But yeah, I'm not gonna move the van before the winter starts. Now trying to get this van running again, and so we can move this to a new location. The engine is working pretty good. I have the new battery in here installed already, and yeah, let's get the parts and let's try to build it back together.
Hi guys, my name is Hannu and I'm from Finland. Come and join me as I convert this 2006 Iveco Daily to an amazing camper van. There is always an adventure waiting for you, so let's go.
I need to replace this part in here. The roller down here is broken, and it's just sliding through here and trying to get my new paint off. That's not good. So I order new parts. I think I need to get these bolts off. There's two bolts, so it's easier to fix this on the bench. Okay, here's the traveler. Kind of spins, but sounds terrible. So now I need to hit this pin out from there. I need the hammer. Let's see if we can get this out. Now it's grinded off. Okay. Nice. New parts. Should go something like this. But this is loose. Okay, now we have 10mm hole in here. Let's go to the van and install this back, and let's see if this is better than the old one. Okay. So I took the bearing off. This is just and I changed also the ball joint in here. It was broken, so, and kind of loose. And when you go to the MOT, it needs to be in good condition. So now it's brand new. But yeah, now the new brake caliber goes in here into the hub, and yeah, gonna install that next, and gonna bolt it here, then install the brake caliber in, have the parts in here, all the little things. Now continue on the work, and let's put this back together. Well, not this is the old one, brake pad, but yeah, let's get the new disc in here and start the installation of this, and then we can continue. I have also a new disc to the other side because they only sell like in pairs, so here. And along this. But I remember that the last owner said that they need to fix the brake. I think maybe it was the passenger side. That one is fixed already. But I'm not sure. This van is full of surprises. None of them, though, have been a good surprise. Looks good. Wobble. Okay. I think it will hold. Okay, now we can take the cleaner and clean the disc itself, so we can then install the caliper. All right, I cleaned the disc with the brake cleaner, and here are the pads. They are pretty big because yeah, it's a 2-piston model. They are Brembo brakes, so they are quite powerful. The van can be in full weight over 7 tons, so you need to have big brakes as well. And I cleaned the surface where the pad gonna move. No, pad gonna be right here. Take all the rust out, and yeah, so I'm gonna put the copper paste also in here and on the top side as well. I'll just tighten those up, and then we can install the caliber itself. There is some copper paste on its end of the pad, and you just put this, yeah, and it's on its place, and the other one is on the other side. It's on its way. You go back. Yeah, I think it's there. Now just take the bolts and trying to find the right position. That's tight now, and that's tight as well. Then remember to put the caps back on. Now it's installed. So the only thing in here is to bleed the system. This should go maybe here. I have no clue. I need to watch the YouTube and see if we have the answer for the parts, how to install them. Now we have the new brackets on its place. It's looking good, sturdy, and yeah, the side wing here, bumper is secured now. It's bolted on from here, radiator, bumper from here, and yeah, they are finding their places right now. So, oh, this I need to change the washer for a smaller one. Otherwise, I think it's looking good. I think this might be, well, of course we need the headlights in here, but after that this might be drivable again after almost 2 years. Yeah, almost 2 years now.